good afternoon. Ako po si Charles Jassy Nabelosa. Ayan. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Aldrin. More birthdays to come. Enjoy, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you. Love you all. Got a lifeline. You got to live all my life.
Ano yung sa may point?
It's just you.